Abasirikare bongerwa nyanja Albert ansharo ya Congo na Uganda harimo aba Marine, aba UPDF, aba police n'abambega ba police abarukujananizwe by'amajita. Godwin Angariyo RDC wacu kube kandi chairman w'akakiko kebyo kwerinda nagira nk'uko rukiko rwa district bahingwizo kongera okumasha mbwire bwa Karuru.
By combined forces 2 weeks back we had a community meeting in Buhuka. We interacted with the fishermen. All forces were in the meeting, the police, UPDF, Marine, immigration and local leadership, and we agreed that we need to have patrols in the water.
Angariya nashobora ngo kurwanaga no mwihanga rya Kongo tukahwireyo nabwe cyo nibetantara abanyambudu babamirisha okwija kushisha obusinge.
Only that we have been registering some insecurity elements of the water created by the criminals from Congo. You see, eastern part of Congo, there is no leadership. So we have some wrong elements in Congo. Those are the people who come and steal the boats of our people in Buhuka, in Tonya.
Nanga majorly ya odaringa banu aba Marine na bagamba actually bakole kisoboka cyona barole ngo abasohi beitu batunga obusinga. And indeed since that time tunyire hamayizi katayito.
Emmanuel Bisemezo chairman wegombore ryansharo ya Uganda na Kongo ya Changwali yagamba Kongo batwire bateganisa bashohamya ari yo mugomboreji.
Attacks ezibakozere sofa ezitukumanya babeni bazikolera heihi n'emyaro yaitu yankaha eya Uganda amazima nkoko gali kiraba ni kilingo abasohi beitu nabo bagenda it is rare but cases incidents zibeyireho babata abasohi beitu abene batakingira mu area zeite za Uganda.
Omwaka gwa 2018 abanyambudu ba Kongo bakatayire emyaro ya Uganda eri mu Kaiso, Kyehoro, Kijangi, Kisebigoro, Nsonga, Ndayiga, Kitebere, Butiaba, Bugoyigo, Runga na Wakabi banyaga ebintu nyamunje biri mu engine z'obwato hamwe n'ebitimba. Amakuru agashaka Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.